Mercedes-Benz GL 500 from Macau. Annual review is approaching. There is an abnormal sound in the direction. The annual review cannot be passed. The owner contacts the local 4S store. The steering machine is damaged and cannot be repaired. Can only be replaced with a new one. Total quotes $56,800. It will take a week to order. Big Brother can't do it when he hears it. The annual review will be held in 2 days. Fortunately, the video of our repair of the steering machine was swiped, and they found us. Drive directly from Macau to Guangzhou. You can see the video here. Click on a little red heart. Avoid not finding it later. In fact, the steering machine can be repaired, and the maintenance cost is less than 1/10 of the replacement cost. The steering machine is just a glitch. The original car parts can be repaired if they can be repaired. If your car's steering machine also malfunctions, you can also leave your model in the comment area.